right, so today we're at one of my favorite communities in all of Vanderbilt Beach. Today we're at the Regatta. What's fantastic about this property is its location. Not only are you walking distance to the Vanderbilt Beach entrance, you have the Ritz-Carlton a stone's throw away, waterfront dining at the Turtle Club, waterfront dining at Buzz's Lighthouse. Just down the street, you're gonna hit the Pavilion where you're gonna have the luxury movie theater. You're gonna have tacos and tequila, a nice cafe, Fit and Fuel. Across the street from that, you're gonna have the Mercado, which has Capitol Grill, Whole Foods. Everything you could possibly want, this location has. So today, we're at 410 Flagship Drive. We have one of the most spectacular properties to show you. Can't wait. Welcome to Unit 703, come on in. As you can quickly see, beautiful open floor plan. Great tile throughout all the common living areas. We've got great high ceilings, crown molding throughout. Beautifully furnished and well appointed, but come on through because what we really want to show you is this. So how about this indoor-outdoor living space? This is the exact reason why people come to Naples, Florida. Look how large this living room is. You've got a couch that can fit the entire family. This carries right over to this great work nook. I don't know about you, but I'd have a lot of trouble getting work done with the views that you have over here. Huge, huge dining room. You could have a table probably twice this size. You want to host any holiday dinner here, this is the spot. And then this all opens right into the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, breakfast bar, Samsung appliances with Bosch dishwasher. Doesn't get any better. Now imagine waking up to those views every morning, overlooking the 55-slip marina, looking out towards the Gulf of Mexico. You have your own private entrance over to the lanai, which I want to tell you does have the electric hurricane shutters for the seasonal owner, the kind of set it and forget it mentality. If we walk this way down the hall, you'll see that we have two walk-in closets. We have the master bathroom right through this pocket door. This master bathroom offers a walk-in shower, dual vanities, soaking tub. Is the absolute perfect place to get ready in the morning. All right, so that was the master suite. Now we're gonna head towards the back of the property to show you the two guest suites. What you're gonna love is the fact that both of these have their own ensuite bathroom. This room's large enough, you could easily fit another king bed in here. This one right now has a queen. And lastly, as we walk to the far end here, you're gonna see the highly sought after powder room that no other floor plan has. Great for entertaining. And your third and final bedroom. This one here set up with two twin beds, again tying in that thought that you would get the whole family here at this property. All right, so that concludes the condo, but we've got so much more to see. All right, now on to the amenities. So although we're only steps to the beach, we still have resort style amenities. You're gonna have your resort style pool with the zero entry for the young ones. You have a nice cold splash pool here. Grills, pavilion, two fitness rooms, bathrooms, community room, everything you need right here, centrally located in the community. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this property, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email us at any time. We're always available. If you want to see more luxury properties here and around Naples, hit that subscribe button. Give us a follow on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.